Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen, where today we'll be creating a mouth-watering dish that will surely become a family favorite. Join me as we embark on a culinary journey to make a scrumptious pasta béchamel. So, let's dive right in. Start by dicing the onion, mincing the garlic, and finely chopping the carrot. Heat a generous amount of oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add the diced onion and sauté until it becomes fragrant and translucent. Now, it's time to add our minced meat. Once the meat is all brown, create a space in the middle of the pan and place the sautéed garlic, making sure to capture its delightful aroma. Add salt, black pepper, and dry coriander over the mixture. Then add the chopped carrot. Mix everything together, ensuring the flavors are well combined. Now, let's intensify the flavors. Add tomato paste to the pan and stir it in, coating the meat and vegetables evenly. Then, pour in a cup of water, allowing the mixture to simmer uncovered over medium-high heat for about 5 minutes. While our meat mixture simmers, let's prepare the rich and creamy bechamel sauce. In a separate small pan over medium-high heat, melt some butter. Once the butter has melted completely, add an equal amount of flour, continuously stirring until there are no lumps, approximately 1 minute. Pour in milk, followed by beef broth and black pepper. Remember, since the broth is salted, we won't be adding any additional salt. Continue stirring the mixture until the sauce thickens to perfection. Now that our sauce is ready, it's time to cook the penne pasta according to the instructions on the package. Once the pasta is al dente, drain it and transfer it to a large mixing bowl. Add a cup of the bechamel sauce and mix until all the pasta is coated with the beautiful sauce. Now that everything is ready, let's layer our bechamel pasta. Begin by creating a thin layer of bechamel sauce at the bottom of the pan, using approximately half a cup. Then add half of the cooked pasta, spreading it out evenly. It's time for the star of the show, the cooked meat mixture. Layer it generously over the pasta, ensuring every bite is bursting with flavor. To elevate the cheesiness, add a layer of cheddar cheese slices, followed by some mozzarella cheese. Remember, the more cheese, the better. Let's continue layering by adding the remaining pasta over the cheese, creating a beautiful bed for our final layer of bechamel sauce. Pour the remaining bechamel sauce over the pasta, making sure it's evenly distributed. And of course, we can't forget the cheese on top. Sprinkle some more mozzarella cheese, and for an aromatic touch, add a sprinkle of thyme. Wonderful! Our masterpiece is almost complete. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and let's bake our pasta béchamel for 20 minutes. After the initial baking time, switch the oven to the top-only setting for an additional 5 minutes to achieve a beautiful golden crust. And there you have it, a delectable pasta béchamel, oozing with flavors, creamy bechamel sauce, and layers of cheesy goodness. This dish is sure to impress your family and friends. The beauty of this pasta béchamel is that it can be enjoyed hot or at room temperature, offering a delightful dining experience regardless of your preference. So whether you're serving it fresh out of the oven or allowing it to cool down a bit, each bite will still be a delicious revelation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified of our latest mouth-watering recipes. And always remember, good food brings good mood. Until next time, happy cooking!